Welcome to Content Monetization Basics. This video will guide you through the different ways you can turn your creative content into a reliable income stream. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, or social media creator, understanding monetization strategies is essential for building a sustainable career. Let's explore the opportunities available to you. Monetization simply means converting your content and audience into income. As a creator, you produce valuable content that attracts viewers or listeners. Once you have an engaged audience, there are multiple ways to generate revenue from that audience. Monetization is not just about ads. There are many creative and diverse revenue streams available to content creators today. Monetizing your content transforms your passion into a profession. It allows you to dedicate more time to creating better quality content since you're earning income. Monetization also validates your work and builds credibility with your audience. Whether you want to make extra income part-time or build a full-time career, monetization gives you the financial foundation to grow your creative business sustainably. Google AdSense is one of the most common ways creators earn money. It works by displaying ads on your content, and you earn revenue when viewers watch or click those ads. Ad networks like YouTube Partner Program, Adstera, and Propeller Ads connect advertisers with creators. The amount you earn depends on factors like viewer location, ad quality, and engagement. AdSense is beginner-friendly and requires minimal setup. Sponsorships are when brands pay you to promote their products or services in your content. This is one of the highest-paying monetization methods. Brands approach creators with large, engaged audiences. A successful sponsorship requires that your audience aligns with the brand's target market. You can find sponsorship opportunities through platforms like AspireIQ, Influ, or by brands reaching out directly. Always disclose sponsored content to maintain trust with your audience. Affiliate marketing means you earn a commission when someone purchases a product through your unique referral link. You recommend products you genuinely use and believe in. When your audience clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you receive a percentage of the sale. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. This method works best when you recommend products relevant to your content and audience interests. Membership programs let your most loyal fans support you directly in exchange for exclusive benefits. On YouTube, channel memberships give supporters access to exclusive videos, badges, and perks. Platforms like Patreon allow creators to offer tiered subscription levels with different rewards. Fans might pay monthly for early access to content, behind-the-scenes footage, or direct interaction. This creates a predictable recurring revenue stream and strengthens your community. You can create and sell digital products like online courses, ebooks, presets, or templates based on your expertise. For example, a photography creator might sell editing presets. A business coach could offer courses teaching their strategies. Coaching or consulting services are another option where you provide one-on-one guidance to paying clients. These products have high profit margins since they're digital and can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. Some audiences are willing to support creators they love through voluntary donations. Platforms like Super Chat on YouTube, Twitch Tips, or Ko-Fi allow viewers to send money directly to creators. Donations work well for live streamers and community-focused creators. While individual donations might be small, they add up when you have engaged fans. Be transparent about how you'll use donations to maintain trust and encourage ongoing support. The most successful creators don't rely on a single revenue stream. Instead, they diversify across multiple monetization methods. For example, earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links simultaneously. This approach protects your income if one stream decreases. Different methods work better for different creators and audiences. Start with one or two methods, then gradually add others as your audience grows. A diversified strategy creates financial stability and maximizes your earning potential. First, prioritize quality content and building genuine audience trust. Quality attracts both engaged viewers and brand sponsorships. Second, Track your earnings from each revenue stream to understand what works best for your specific audience. Third, always respect your audience by balancing monetization with value. Too many ads or aggressive selling drives viewers away. Focus on providing genuine value first, and monetization opportunities will follow naturally. You now understand the major revenue streams available to content creators. The key is choosing the right combination that works for your audience and niche. Start by selecting your first revenue stream. Build your audience with consistent, high-quality content. Then diversify over time as your creator business grows. Remember that great content creates opportunity. Focus on providing value to your audience, and sustainable monetization will follow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.